In this quick video, I'll show you how to export with transparency in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So suppose I want to export this image which have transparent background. So in order to do that, we just need to select this image by clicking on it, and after that right click on the image. Then we will see this option which says export selection, and then this window will pop up where you can see this is the image. I can change its name, and then we can simply name our file from here. I will simply name it laptop. After that we can see multiple options are here on the right side. Here we can select our assets. In my case I have only this image. After that we can select the path where we want to save our transparent image, and then we can simply open our location after export. So these are the common options which are not important as these options are. So here we just need to select our scale. So as you can see, I have this image and I want to export this image with this size as it is. So for that we just need to select our scale as 1x. So it will be exported as same as it is now. But if I want to have more bigger size than this, then I can simply increase the scale of my image. Then my size will also increase. So this is scale. And the second option is this format. So format is very important for exporting transparent images. So for exporting transparent images, we will need to make sure that it is always on PNG format. So transparent images are always PNG. That's why we need to keep it on PNG. And then we can simply click on export asset. After that our image will be exported in our PC. And now as you can see, my image is now exported. I can see it here, and then I can simply open it. So this was the image. You can see it doesn't have any background. I also imported in my Photoshop as well. You can see it here. It have some pixels in it. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.